We are going to have a discussion today, and I'm going to take the first topic, and the first topic is smartphones are making people dumb. But before I proceed, I think it will be better that I introduce myself. Fine. Hello everyone, my name is K. Sanjay and I am the director of SPEN. I have been in this line, I have been teaching communication skill for the last 33 years, almost 33 years. Since I have already introduced myself, I want all of you to give you a short introduction so that we can proceed to our GD session. Let me start from my left side. Okay, let me start with you.
My name is Isa Kumari. I am doing fashion designing from Marwari College. Thank you.
Next, please.
I am Anusha Kumari. I am doing English honors from SJM College. Thank you.
Great. Next.
I am Ritu Priya. I am doing psychology honors from Marwari Women's College. Thank you.
Okay, Ritu, next time you should speak a bit louder. Next, please.
Myself, Ayushi Mishra. I am a student in class 12 class.
Okay, next.
My name is Kiran Kumari. I study in class 11 in Uttan Intermediate College. I am from Commerce Stream. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I am Pooja Kumari. I am doing my English honors from Marwari College. Thank you.
My name is Susmita Kumari. I am doing ICOM from Usline Intermediate College. Thank you.
Great. Now from this side, please.
Good evening everyone. I am Shivani Chaudhary. I am doing English honors from Marwari College, Ranchi. Thank you.
Right.
Hello, I am Swapnil Puria. I am doing journalism from Masters from Ranchi University.
Okay, good.
Hello friends, I am Shraddha Singh. I am trying to get the job.
Okay, I'm a job seeker.
Job seeker.
Yes.
Hello everyone. My name is Anisha Kumari. I am doing BBA from Ranchi College.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Sindhu Kumari. I am doing my BCA from Women's College.
Right.
My name is Akansha Kumari. I am doing ICOM from Usline Intermediate College. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ruchi Kumari and I am doing IC from Usline Intermediate College. Thank you.
Great. So welcome you all to our GD session. And the topic that I am going to take, well, I am taking the topic from this book. Well, the book Create Your Career, it is being written by Ayushi Dina. There are a lot of interesting topics in this book. So from this book, the first topic I am going to take is smartphones are making people dumb. So all of us, we are having the smartphones in our hand. So let's proceed. What exactly do you think? Smartphones are making people dumb or smartphones are making people smart? That is the topic. Well, let me start. Right in the beginning, I would advise all of you to speak only 30 seconds in the beginning. You take one side. Either it is making the people smart or it is not making, or it is making people dumb. So you have to take one side, either side. Okay, you start.
Well, I am in favor of the topic. Smartphone making people dumb. We should do what is right, not what is easy. Thank you.
Okay, next please.
Well, this is the era of digitalization, so I think smartphones are making people smart. So I am a side of positive.
Okay, you are at positive side. Good. Next, Shraddha.
I am on the negative side of the use of smartphone. This is the period of digital penetration. So there is much use of smartphone.
Smartphones spend too much time with everyone and wasting time too much.
Smartphones good. जैसे उससे हमको बहुत सारे नॉलेज प्राप्त होता है. जैसे हमें किसी चीज़ के बारे में अलग सर्च करना है.
I think smartphones are making people dumb because anyone will work, they depend on the mobile phones.
Absolutely, Alex.
I am against of this topic because smartphones are related to only for our info technology knowledge, and from that we use different types of apps like dictionary, entertainment. It makes our life flexible. Thank you.
Good.
Well, I am in the negative side because smartphone make people dumb because the excessive use of smartphone in teenagers, they are addicted so much from them and they facing the problem of sleepiness, depression.
I think smartphone is good. जैसे कि हमें कोई पढ़ाई के बारे में
सर्च करना पड़ता है, तो नेट से सर्च करते हैं, उसके पढ़ सकते हैं।
Well, I will go with the positive point. Smartphone is good for us because we make it bad. We should limit.
We should not cross the limit.
We should not cross the limit. It is upon us to. It is upon us how we are using it, and I think it makes our life easier. So I will go with the positive point.
Right.
In my opinion, smartphone making people dumb because any fake news going on the WhatsApp and Facebook is being on them.
Okay, some of you are having the view that smartphones are very good, and some of you are feeling that it is harming us. Let's take first one side, that smartphones are not very smart and they are harming us in one way or other. Let's take that side. Don't you think that earlier students, they used to study, they used to read, but these days smartphones, because it is very handy for any information, they search that on the Google. So the learning habit of the students have gone. Don't you think that it is harming us? But don't nod. I want you to speak on that point, that yes, it is harming or it is not harming. Because suppose some of you have taken the side that smartphones are pretty good thing. So for them this question goes that smartphones are making students lazy.
हाँ, ये स्टूडेंट्स को लेजी कर रहा है कहीं ना कहीं, बट लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल, इस ग्रुप डिस्कशन के लिए भी हम लोग को स्मार्टफोन से अपडेट हुआ कि इस टॉपिक पे ग्रुप डिस्कशन है। उसके बाद फिर हम लोग अपना कुछ उस पर एक व्यू बनाए और उस व्यू को कुछ और थोड़ा सा इलेबोरेट करने के लिए हम लोग सोशल मीडिया का यूज़ किए या फिर गूगल का यूज़ किए। तो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि ये स्टूडेंट का लर्निंग कैपेसिटी को कम करेगा।
Sir, well, I think it's not only making students lazy, it is making all the generation lazy.
Right.
Like we see, there are varieties of range of technology available in market. Washing machine for washing the clothes, mixer and grinder for grinding the spices. It saves our work, it saves our time, and it makes our work easy. But on the other hand, it makes us lazy. Similar with the mobile phones. Instead of going traditional shopping, we can go for the conventional shopping. It will save our time, but it will make us lazy. If we want to entertain, we don't have to go outside the home and play music and play any game. We can simply sit at our homes and we can watch movies, we can listen to the music, and we can watch any video, whatever we want. It will entertain us, but it will make us lazy. It will not make us lazy only physically. It will make us lazy mentally as well as. If anyone want to achieve anything in their life, they must have be focused and they must be active in their life. Then only they can achieve anything in their life. For the student, yes, it is right that students are not making notes. Students are not studying properly. They watch video on the phone. They don't attend the regular classes. Instead of that, they are taking the package of, if they are preparing for IELTS, they will take the package, online package, and they will not study. Sir, so we should not use mobile phone. We should go for the conventional thing. Again, I am saying we should do what is right, not what is easy.
Okay, well, Ayushi, what is your view?
So actually, it makes us dumb a lot. In our history, when we go to, well, not me, I go to the library and study about what the topic is given to our professor or teacher. But nowadays we are more lazy, and we started searching in the net what is the topic. Now, as you are giving this topic to us to speak something on this topic, all of us will be agree that we just go to home and take on our phone. In 5 minutes, we got a topic and we write in 5 minutes and we are done. So it makes us lazy a lot. not in favor of.
Okay, whatever you talk about that, of course it is the broad, whatever the students they used to pay attention to their study is gradually going away. The reading part is going away because we are getting, earlier what was happening, to get one answer we had to read 2 or 3 answers, so maybe we used to read 2 or 3 more chapters. But what happened these days that we just write that question on the net and we get the answer. So we read the straight answer to that, and even on that we don't read the whole answer. Only we just have the bird's eye view, we just have the glimpse of the answer and we prepare the notes, a very short one. Similarly, suppose we have to make any project. So earlier when we had to make a project, we used to study a lot. Naturally, we had to go through different articles and all books, and then we used to make the project. But these days, what happened that we write straight to that topic, and we get whatever comes. We take out the printout. Even we don't bother to read all. We just take out the printout, reshuffle, maybe rearrange a little bit, paste it out, and our notes are ready. Our project is ready. You ask a single student, I am talking out of say 100, how many have the knowledge of the project that they have made. Perhaps I think that maybe only 1 or 2 or 3% will be able to tell what exactly the project was all about. My point is, this mobile thing, the smartphones, they have completely spoiled the students. Shweta, what's your take?
Sir, I am not just opposing the use of smartphone, but I am in the favor of the just smart, as the name smartphone, the wise use of smartphone or a smart use of a smartphone. All of us are saying that it harm the student do not search, read books, they don't look here and there, they don't ask for study material. But even if I have a topic and I have to ask for many people, do you have that book, do you have this writer book? No, these days I just get anything, any writer, any textbook, any publication just on the mobile. So I think it is an advantage, not a disadvantage, but it upon us how we use it. So I just suggest everyone should use a smartphone wisely,
So
in a balanced way.
So do you use a smartphone wisely?
I'm not that wise.
That's the problem. That all of us we think that we should use the smartphone smartly. But again, the ratio perhaps will be only 1% and 2%. They are really capable of using a smartphone smartly.
All of us waste our precious time
Lots of
on
time.
smartphone.
The second thing that I would like to take regarding smartphone is that just because on a smartphone we are having the WhatsApp and we are having the Facebook and Insta and all those things. So it has become a platform to show ourselves. दिखावा बढ़ गया. What is your take?
यस सर, फेसबुक, इंस्टा ये सब पे दिखावा बहुत बढ़ गया. जैसे बच्चे रहते हैं तो कंपटीशन आ जाते हैं, वो ये चीज़ से ये चीज़ के साथ फोटो क्लिक करके उसमें पोस्ट किया है तो मुझे भी वो करना है. वो भी अपने फैमिली प्रेशर बनाते हैं कि हमें भी चाहिए वो. जैसे हम लोग ही हैं तो एक यार इतना अच्छा ड्रेस पहन के फोटो क्लिक करके डाली है. अब हमको जो चाहिए हम भी पहन के वो फोटो क्लिक करके डालेंगे.
तो किधर से फीलिंग आती है चुरा के. ओके.
कुछ भी खरीदते हैं तो स्टेटस डाल देते हैं.
ओके.
Yes, sir, nowadays people's मतलब बहुत कोई क्या कहते हैं ऐसे होते हैं जो मेनली गर्ल्स, वो कुछ भी करती है, कहीं भी जाती है, वो कहीं भी घूमती है, वो तुरंत मतलब अपने सोशल साइट्स पे तुरंत ये अपने फोटोज अपडेट कर देती है. वो जेलेसी भी
तो
फील
मतलब
करती
ये लोग
है.
इशारा कर रहे हो.
No, sir, मैं ये लोग को नहीं बोल रही हूँ, बट बहुत सारे गर्ल्स होते हैं और वो लोग बहुत कोई जेलेसी भी फील करती है दूसरे से कि वो ऐसा पहनी है, वो ऐसा किया तो मुझे भी ऐसा करना है. बहुत कोई अपने पेरेंट्स से झगड़ा कर लेती है कि मुझे ऐसा करना है, क्योंकि वो मना करते हैं.
ओके.
Sir, I agree with you. competition level in social media has increased a lot. Like as he said, competition level, like anyone your friend is wearing something, you also want to achieve that look and post it on Instagram. So I think it destroy a lot, and the competition level increase, fight, war between your parents that I want that dress, because I wanted to post. We are so fake on social media. I generally don't believe in social media. I like to live in myself.
Okay, what is your view?
बहुत बड़ी है, जैसे कि हम कहीं जाते हैं घूमने में, फोटो खिंचाते हैं तो व्हाट्सएप में स्टेटस में डाल देते हैं।
कितना अच्छा तो लगता है, अपना डीपी चेंज करते हैं।
तो ऐसे ही जैसे कि स्नैप वीडियो, मतलब इंस्टाग्राम, तो कहीं भी जाते हैं तो वीडियो बनाते हैं, डालते हैं, मतलब कितना लाइक मिला है क्या, तो सब कुछ देखते हैं।
That enhance your beauty, that enhance your
मतलब सब अपने
inner beauty. I don't think that is too much bad to post our selfie. I think too much is everything is bad.
Anything is bad.
Too much of anything is bad. And if we are posting our selfies in the duration of 1 hour, 2 hours, or on daily basis, of course it is bad. But if we are posting our photos or our family gathering or any function, or if we are on an outing in an occasional basis, then it is not good. I think this is not to oppose this is wrong. I think it's nice.
Actually, don't you think that it is making the people more depressed? The thing is that maybe you have uploaded a few pics and you are naturally, everyone expects that he or she would get a lot of likings, but you don't get the likings that you are looking for. Maybe you wanted that you should have got the liking of somewhere about 300 or 400 or 500, and you get the liking of say 20 or 30%. So you feel heartbroken. You start having a very dull phase inside.
No, sir, I don't feel like that.
Maybe you are talking about, but I am talking in general. We feel very depressed.
Yes, and depressed, and we feel very jealous. That girl.
Nowadays, increasing in fan following, they believe all the means all of us. अरे उसका followers इतना है, मेरा भी होना चाहिए. We feel jealous for the followers. We want to increase. We started posting 2-3 photos in one day
Right.
to increase our followers fan.
What you are talking about 2-3? There are girls who upload pics almost every hour.
Yes, like 10 photos.
10 photos in a day. Like that. And they go live also.
Yes.
And what they do.
Even they do
I'm
dance.
having that's what used to show.
Achha, if any one of you are having more than 1,000 fan following, or maybe you are having more than 1,000, how many you are having? 1,400. Oh, great.
Due to because you are single.
I don't know why, but I have.
I think so.
Yes, that might be the reason, of course. Anyway, now what's your take? The question is that social media, and especially this Facebook, WhatsApp sort of thing, they are making people depressed. What is your take?
Of course, they are making people depressed because everyone is showing off themselves. There are some people who are doing it for their happiness, but there are a lot of people who are doing this for showing off themselves. So you were talking about for being famous. I think for being famous, people do anything. Like anything.
Exactly.
I mean anything. Like कुछ भी कर देती है, अजीब सा कुछ भी मतलब पहनावा ओढ़ावा, it's not good. But for being famous, they do all the things what they can, but it is not good. Well, I was using TikTok when it was so. I was also want कि मेरा view बढ़े और like बढ़े. But ऐसा नहीं होता था, तो I was quite sad, but not depressed. I'm okay with it. I thought कि अगर मेरे में उतना talent है तो of course I will do good. But अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो what we can do?
नहीं, actually you know what happened, that there are so many channels. You will find that according to us, the channels are very downgraded. they are not up to mark, they are below standard, but they are having huge fan following. That would make us more sad. If the quality is not there, the banda can't speak even Hindi properly, forget about English and all, but he is having huge fan following. That is what makes the person even more depressed.
Sir, the viewer is not good. The viewer has no sense that what kind of video should be, just say, I would like to tell that in TikTok, there was a beauty khan. She was just ऐसे थी और she was just famous. इतनी famous हो गई, I was jealous of her.
So that girl, वो जिसका आँख मारो, क्या नाम है?
अच्छा हाँ
I don't remember her name.
Priya.
Priya Prakash.
हाँ Priya Prakash.
She was quite famous only due to that style,
Making
that
style.
particular style, to how she eyebrow.
Okay, anyway, I think she is a film actress and maybe that can be.
So
But
that-
I'm talking, there are so many guys, they do all sorts of nonsense things when they become famous. That's a very strange thing.
So like some people are making nonsense videos, but the viewer की बदमाशी वो लोग क्यों देखते हैं और क्यों इतना फेमस कर देते हैं? व्यूअर्स को ही बकवास चीजें पसंद आती है, इसके वजह से फेमस कर देते हैं.
मतलब ये लोग बोल रहे हैं.
We all are included in that.
Okay, great. Okay, the last part, perhaps the question, this is not exactly last, but that's what I'm asking you is, do you think that we are becoming more and more lonely because of the social media? Maybe on a social media, or maybe on a Facebook, WhatsApp, we are having say 1,000, 2,000, 4,000 friends. But in practical life, in real life, there is no one around us. So it is giving us a false feeling that we are having so many friends, but from inside we are very lonely. कोई नहीं अपना कहने के लिए. तुम्हारा चेहरा देख के तो ऐसे ही लग रहा है. Are you lonely or what? मेरी सुष्मिता बड़ी थी कि
I don't know because I have so many friends in a real life and a Facebook and Instagram.
okay. Achha, do you have, maybe that all of you will deny it, but in a real life, don't you go through that phase that maybe on Facebook you are having so many friends, but in a real life you don't have someone to share your thoughts, your feelings, or you have friends with whom you can be very close and can share your feelings and all. Well, Swapnil, what is your view?
सर मुझे लगता है ये सोशल मीडिया की वजह से ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे रियल लाइफ में फ्रेंड्स कम है और सोशल मीडिया में ज़्यादा है.
तो काहे नहीं लगता है?
Sir, we can't blame mobile phone for
That's
this.
okay, but let her complete because I think I won't agree with you, but anyway, proceed.
That's what I am saying कि सोशल मीडिया को सिर्फ नहीं कह सकते कि उसकी वजह से ऐसा है. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जिसकी वजह से लाइक अभी जैसे कंपटीशन का किसी ने बोला था कंपटीशन का इधर तो सब लोग भाग दौड़ में लगे हैं जिसकी वजह से मेरे को लगता है कि टाइम स्पेंड करने वाला चीज़ कम हो गया है फैमिली के साथ या फ्रेंड्स के साथ. तो ये एक रीज़न है कि हमारे रियल लाइफ में दोस्त कम है.
Okay, fine.
Yes, I am happy with my social media because I don't cross the limit. In whole day, I use 1 or 2 hours only because I have no time.
ये तो तुम्हारे चरण कहाँ हैं? छूले थोड़ा. मतलब ऐसे लोग भी हैं जो 1 घंटा ही यूज करते हैं तो उस चरण छूने के काम है.
Sir, I am the one.
अच्छा, you only for 1
I
hour.
hardly get friends.
Oh, then it's really good.
जैसे Instagram तो वैसे ऐसा होता है कभी हम खोलते भी नहीं हैं बहुत भी. उसको लगा
Sir, Instagram-
Maybe I'm not talking Insta is not that thing. Like even I'm having the Insta account, but maybe I open once in a month even I'm talking about.
Yes, sir.
But I'm talking that maybe you are on a Facebook or maybe on a WhatsApp. One of these things takes a lot of time. किसी एक के चलते आपका बहुत ज्यादा समय चलता है. Yeah, when you are addicted to Facebook, it takes a lot of time. If you are addicted to WhatsApp, it takes a lot of time. So one among these, in fact, grabs all the time, all the attention. Well, are you happy with your account and the way you handle your social? चलो हिंदी में बोलो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
सर सोशल मीडिया में तो ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन जब ऐड नहीं रहता फ्रेंड्स से मिलेगा तभी जनरली हम सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू फ्रेंड्स से कॉन्टैक्ट में रहते हैं ऐसे।
तो जितने बॉयज हैं उसके थ्रू कॉन्टैक्ट करें।
नहीं बॉयज नहीं, जनरली बॉयज तो नहीं, गर्ल्स
हमारा तो पक्का वही होगा। कितना समय स्पेंड करते? हाउ मच टाइम डू यू स्पेंड ऑन सोशल मीडिया?
सर फोन मिलता है तो चला लेते हैं, कभी रहती है, कभी नहीं रहती है।
तो हैव यू एवर डन हंगर स्ट्राइक? अभी तक हंगर स्ट्राइक पे नहीं बैठे हो?
फोन चाहिए तो इस बार दीदी को बोलती देखो पढ़ लो, फिर 12th पास कर लेना तो खुद ले लेना, थोड़ा इमोशनली कर देते हैं, छोड़ देते हैं। फिर कुछ दिन बाद वही होता है, नहीं चाहिए चाहिए चाहिए, लेकिन नहीं मिलता है।
I think these days I find that very small kids they are having their own mobile.
Yes, sir.
Very small kids. Maybe they are
Online classes are the reason.
Well, how much do you spend the time on?
When I have account on FB or Insta, then I open in 5 minutes. मतलब 5-5 मिनट में खोलते रहते थे, वैसे कुछ दिन पहले डिलीट कर दिया। वैसे हमको लगता है कि व्हाट्सएप में तो सारा रिलेटिव होता है, वो अच्छा ही होता है, क्योंकि उसमें हम लोग अपनी फैमिली से रिलेटिव से बात करते और सामने आते हैं। लेकिन फेसबुक और
तो ज़्यादा खतरनाक नहीं है, ज़्यादा सामने आना। फेसबुक इंस्टा में हमको नहीं लगता कि बहुत लोग अपने रिलेटिव से बात करते होंगे। फेसबुक और इंस्टा में हम लोग उससे रिश्ता जोड़ते हैं जिसको हम जानते नहीं हैं, और उसके चलते हम से जुड़े हो?
अभी मेरे पास नहीं है ना फेसबुक में ना इंस्टा में, बस व्हाट्सएप है मेरा। तो हमको लगता है कि फेसबुक इंस्टा डिस्टेंस बना दिया।
I don't think that it has brought a distance between the relatives. I feel that has brought the relatives closer, because now we are connected to the very distant relatives. जो दूर दूर के relatives हैं उनसे भी हम लोग अब टच में आ गए हैं। जो बचपन के फ्रेंड्स जिनके साथ हम लोग हाफ पैंट में खेले थे, अब वो भी हमारे क्लोज आ गए हैं। जिनका नाम कहते रहता था तो ये क्या so this Facebook, WhatsApp sort of thing has brought us closer in fact. Anyway, let's wind up this session, the first one. But before I conclude, I want this is open now for any one of you to put any of your views. If you want to add something extra, you are allowed to speak. Okay, you want to add something more? Whatever you have spoken.
Yes, sir. I am totally satisfied with the use of social media. I have limited number of friends on Facebook and whom I know. I rarely post anything on the Facebook and Insta. Sometimes I used to post it. Most of the time I post my activities, art and craft like mehndi art. So I am satisfied.
Okay, good.
सर
Okay,
आई
please.
थिंक सोशल मीडिया एक जैसे कोई कह रहा था कि वो अपने फोटोज अपलोड करते हैं, तो अगर कोई किसी जगह पे विजिट करने गया और उसके बारे में अगर वो सारी चीज़ जानकारी दे रहा है, तो आई थिंक इट इज़ अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म तो उस जगह को जानने के लिए अगर प्लान करना हो उस जगह का, तो वो एक यूजफुल है।
Nee, actually what you are talking, well, you are giving the information about the place, then it's okay. But I think 9 out of 10, they don't give information about the place. They only take their personal snaps and there is hardly any information or anything. I mean, in the place, in fact, they don't highlight the place. They highlight themselves. In each photo, their presence is badly needed.
So I want to add something.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, in these days, in the parties, when the people are invited, they don't go to enjoy the party.
Right.
Whenever they go, they are least bother about enjoying the party. They are busy on taking selfie and posting it on Insta and Facebook.
Right.
So by this, level of competition and level of show-off is increased.
Absolutely. Even in a family, I completely agree with you. And there is one thing more. even in a friend circle or in a relative circle, you will find that suppose there are 5 persons or 5 of them they are having the mobile and everyone is quiet. I mean, you have gone to meet someone, you have gone to meet some relative, and in relative's house, none of you are talking. Everyone is busy with their mobile. All of a sudden, someone marches off the house and he talks outside something like, what sort of a relationship is this? That you are, the guest and the host, both are busy on their mobiles. I don't think it is.
Arthur, I would like to say something.
Please.
When we are with family, we talk to that person who is not with us, who is far from us. And when we go to meet him, we are not talking to him. We are just talking to other person who is not with us.
Right.
So this is a problem कि हम लोग अपने साथ जो उनसे बात नहीं करते, जो दूर में उनसे बात करते हैं, और जब उनके पास जाते हैं तो फिर जो और दूर में उनसे बात करते हैं, मतलब हम लोग पास वाले को ध्यान देते ही नहीं है फोन के चक्कर में, बात करने के चक्कर में किसी और से. So I think कि ऐसा होता है.
नहीं तो कोई है तो बताना, उसको बोलेंगे कि बात करेगा.
Even I do the same. मेरी मम्मी रहती है and I used to talk to some other one. So.
And there is one thing more, what you just told. Say 5 persons or 6 persons, they are sitting quietly. When they return home and they tell, आज बहुत मजा आया. I really don't know क्या मजा आया. Maybe you didn't talk to anyone and you are using that term that बहुत मजा आया. That shows that how hollow we are. Please.
सर, जब लोग किसी के घर पे जाते हैं, बहुत दिन बाद मिलते हैं, तो लोग बात कम करेंगे, अरे फोटो लेते हैं, ले के उसके बाद घर आके तो पोस्ट किया, आज इनसे मिले हैं, इतने साल बाद मिले हैं, इतने साल बाद मिले हैं.
अभी तो हम किए थे 2 दिन पहले.
बहुत दिन बाद मिले, ऐसा तो स्टेटस में डालते हैं, लेकिन बहुत दिन बाद मिलके जो चीज करना चाहिए वो करते हैं. बात करते नहीं है, बस फोटो खींच के दिखा देते हैं कि यार
फर्स्ट वाला अच्छा नहीं है, सेकंड में थोड़ा ऐसे लेते तो ऐसे लेते
आई थिंक फोटो ले भी रहे तो मतलब वो भी एक तरीके से फन हो रहा है, क्योंकि अगर बहुत समय के बाद सिबलिंग्स मिले हैं तो अलग अलग तरीके का मुख बनाना या फिर कुछ भी वैसा एक्टिविटी, तो वो भी एक तरीके का फन. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि इस टाइम में फन करने का या मस्ती का वो एक डेफिनेशन चेंज हो गया है और स्मार्टफोन की तरफ मूव कर गया है.
Well, I must give you credit because everything you are taking is such a positive way. Everything she is taking in a very positive way, so that's a very hats off to you the way you are thinking and you are trying to mold the logic in your favor. Great. Anyway, let's come to the end of this session and well, it was nice talking to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.